Hello everyone, I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. It's Friday, that means it's date night. For those of you who might be new, 14 years ago when I was in college, I came up with the idea to make a book called 101 Creative Dates. The reason why I came up with the idea is all my friends and a lot of people just had a hard time coming up with fun date ideas to do, whether it was with their spouse or a girlfriend or boyfriend. And I thought it would be really fun to compile a book that had all these different date ideas, 101 of them, and it would give people just something that they could turn to when they wanted to do a date, if they had trouble coming up with something on their own. And so it took me 14 years to publish it. And what I decided to do was to make a video introduction for each one of those dates and post them here. So that leads us to this date, date number 38, Hell's Kitchen. For those of you who don't know, Hell's Kitchen is a cooking TV show, a competition. And so I had the idea, since I like to cook and a lot of people like to cook, I thought it would be fun. This would be in the group date category. That would be fun to create a date idea that could bring couples together and they could do a cooking competition. And the way that you could set it up is you could give everyone the same ingredients and the same recipe and see who could cook it the best. Or what you could do is you could have like a Chopped competition, for those of you who might be familiar with the TV show Chopped. And what you do is you give them, again, all the same ingredients, but only 4 different weird ingredients, and then let them use other ingredients and come up with different ideas on how to prepare some kind of dish. And you could have like one couple as the judge, and maybe 2 or 3 of the other couples are the ones that are cooking it. Or what you could do is you could maybe do the guys against the girls, or however you want to set it up. And it's just a fun time to get together, make some food. It could be good or it could be bad food. Maybe you want to have a couple pizzas handy just in case the food turns out terrible. But who knows? Maybe it'll turn out really awesome. And you just have fun, have some laughs, eat some food, and just have a really enjoyable time. So yeah, that's just a fun little idea. Down below, you'll find the whole date idea in its entirety and my experience with it. And also, if you want to purchase the book, I'll put the link to Amazon where you can buy it. There's a paperback version, an ebook version, or if you are a member of Kindle Unlimited, you can read it for free. But again, I am posting all the ideas here for free, so you could wait until all 101 of them are done. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this date idea and maybe you'll add it to your dating repertoire. Try it out. And if you do, make sure to let me know how it went. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Happy dating, everyone. Take care.